Welcome back. Are you putting off dental care and other health needs because you just don't have the money? Not to mention the time to travel from doctor's office to doctor's office trying to get it all done. You'll be happy to know that you can take care of issues from head to toe in one building and at an affordable price. Welcome back, Dr. Danita Bolin and dental manager Nicole French with St. Hope Foundation.
Hello.
All right. There's nothing that can make you feel so helpless as needing a healthcare service and you don't have the money to pay for it. I was sharing with them during the commercial break. I was a student at UT. I had no money, and I was diagnosed with strep throat. And I remember going to the pharmacy, and they said that'll be $100 and something. And I was like, I don't have it, but I had to have it.
Yes.
And so there are a lot of people out there who keep putting it off, living in pain, because they just don't have it.
Yes.
That's not going to be the case here at St. Hope Foundation, which is the premise of this medical service.
Yes, and so St. Hope Foundation, we offer not only dentistry, but we offer a variety of services, and we have a sliding fee scale, and Nicole could talk a little bit more about that fee scale, but the premise is that because dentistry is expensive, we want to make it affordable. We want to make it affordable because generally what happens is because it is expensive, most people delay the treatment, and of course that means
because if you start out with
a
cavity, just needing a cavity, that can go into what?
A root canal, possibly even an extraction.
Yeah, and of course infection.
Yes, infection, and of course at that level it's more costly, and it could affect the entire body at that point, involving other systems.
And Nicole, as a dental manager, I'm sure that when patients come in and they look at you, they're like, really? Like,
right, whenever. Yes, St. Hope comes from a place of wanting to help people and to serve others. So we do operate off of a sliding fee scale. We don't let your dental plans or even your financial situation determine what type of dental care you're going to get. So we do offer the sliding fee scale so you can afford the treatment that you need.
Yeah, and the cool thing about this, as we mentioned, is not just dental care. What other types of things can you all address?
We could address, we have pharmacy,
dental, medical, psychiatry, and the thing that is cool about St. Hope, my favorite part, is that it's like a one-stop shop.
Yeah, vision, OBGYN.
Exactly.
But
so
if there's something wrong with you, you can take care of it here.
Come in, make a day of it, see your medical doctor, they give you a prescription, you can go get that filled while you're waiting for them to take care of you, you can get your teeth cleaned.
Yeah, so that's centralizing that service. Yeah, all in one day.
Yes.
So you just go get everything taken care of. And again, the importance of this, because any of those things that we mentioned, when people let them go, and a lot of us do just because of time constraints and the whole bit, it gets worse and much more expensive to fix. So this is kind of like intervening there.
Yes, and most people nowadays don't want to take off. You know, you have to take off for several appointments, but you could come to that one location and you could get it all done in one day.
And we actually have 3 different locations. We have one in Bel Air, Sugar Land, Conroe. On Tuesdays, we offer late appointments for those people that do work. And then say at night you have a toothache, you wake up, you give us a call, we'll get you in the same day.
Okay, so is this a program only for people in need, or can anyone come?
Anybody.
Anyone.
Insured, non-insured, cash, Medicaid, Medicare, we're here to help.
Yeah, and so those who are able to pay can kind of help fill in the gaps for those who cannot.
Yes.
What's it like for you to be able to offer this type of service to people? Because it's one thing to just be a dentist and help people anyway, but especially people who really felt like there was this, Grand Canyon between that help and them.
It's awesome because most people stay away from the dentist. Number one, they don't want to come to the dentist. Number two, they've had some very bad experiences, and with those experiences, it keeps them away because they're embarrassed. And so we just bring them in and we do what needs to be done. Don't worry about it. We'll take care of you because that's your smile. And that makes who you are.
Honestly, it can be life-changing.
Yes.
To see the person before when they come in and then after treatment is done, it could be they could have a new outlook on life.
Yeah, just getting your teeth fixed. We've seen where people will actually have the confidence to go get a job interview.
Exactly.
And really, literally face the world.
Yes.
All right, now, one thing sometimes people think about, they go, okay, well, if this is health care that's made available, is the quality as high as it is someplace else? And
of course.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
of course.
At St. Hope it is.
And we've had Dr. Bolin with us for 6 years.
Yes.
She's traveled to many locations. We have Dr. Harris. We have a team of dentists that are here and ready and able to
And I know a couple of doctors that work with you all, and they are the best you can find.
Yes,
exactly.
All right. So someone, when they come in, if you have insurance, file that. Again, that helps fill in the gaps. If you don't worry about it. What do they need to come in with? Do you have to have proof of what their hardship
we ask
might
that
be?
they go online, first of all, to www.offeringhope.org. Click on the new patient registration. They fill that out. It goes to our scheduling team. They call immediately to set it up. And then, of course, we need like the proof of residency and proof of income. And then we kind of go from there.
Yeah. Okay. So children as well?
Yeah.
Not as of yet.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
but
not
we're
right now.
working on that.
Okay. And then, of course, with the pharmacy thing, again, the whole idea that it's all in one building.
Yes.
Are people getting a break on their medicines?
Yes, most definitely. That registration will work for all of the programs that we offer.
All right. Well, I'm going to come and open my mouth and say,
Yes.
Please do. Please do.
For more about these services at St. Hope Foundation, you can log on to offeringhope.org, or you can call this number, 713-778-1300, 713-778-1300. Don't let your finances stop you from getting the health care need that you have to have. All right. Well, imagine foot pain so bad, even a blanket hurts. The safe, non-surgical method that helped Carol get back on her feet when we come back.